I'm telling you, it's everywhere. Part 4. Have to go downstairs. Mama, there's like a literal basement. Oh my god. What am I doing, guys? Bro, bismillah, bro. Bro, you know, bro. Bro, yeah.
Salman and his friends. Abdullah, Yusuf, Milo, Lena, Salman.
Classmates. Wait, what's the last one?
This is like Liverpool Waterfront, I think.
Yeah. So like we are at the Liverpool Waterfront. So I could not shop, restaurant actually, so I could get my burger in my tummy, and also, yeah, we're getting out of this place. And where are we going next, Mama?
Look at this burnt.
Oh, it's burnt.
No, we're just gonna walk around
No, like
and then go
Go where?
to our car. Then maybe we'll go to Manchester.
Yeah, but like where in the? Oh, yeah, where in Manchester? Like what house in Manchester?
Yeah.
Like we're going to normal house again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like similar to the one we went before, old and have 4 stories.
Wait, what?
Oh, look at this. I think this is the locks for the ship. Ship elevator. Look at me. Here we go.
I want to be shit.
No. Yeah, these are the locks. Look at that one, huh?
One time I had never seen like a ship lock, you know?
Yeah.
In a long, long time. By the way, I was still surprised when I was going crabbing. The water turned like rainbow color. That was like so cool. I didn't know if you put fries, the water will turn rainbow.
The water say thank you.
Thank you, you give me fries. I will make this rainbow bubbles. The water is greenish. I think because from the drain stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that one is absolutely blue. Oh wait, it's like a transition. Guys, wait, let me hold the phone. Guys. From blue to green. It's like in this bridge, you know, like the blue water is here and the green water is here. So we will do a room tour. Here is the kitchen. Oh. Have to go downstairs. Mama, there's like a literal basement. Oh my god. What am I doing, guys? Bro, bismillah, bro. Bro, you know, bro. Bro, yeah. Mama, come down here. Oh, guys. Okay. I guess we have to turn on the lights. Don't rush me. Okay. So here's our first bed. So my mom will take that bed, jump. So 3, 2, 1.
Okay, لا حسب every bed one jump.
Amazing, guys.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, here's the bathroom, by the way.
Good.
So, guys, this is not the end of the room tour yet. Oh, it is hello. Whoa, the clock's amazing. Oh, it's like to Manchester. We are going to this room. I can see myself. Hello, guys. Okay, let's go upstairs. I'm so excited to go upstairs. All right. Yeah.
Hello.
What is this? This is so amazing. They use these things for the newspapers. Wow. So here's the shower. Nice. And here, okay, is the bathroom. Guys, this is truly amazing. Oh my God, guys. Here is the wardrobe or thing. I forgot about it. I forgot the name. Yeah, I'm gonna check outside. Whoa. What is that? What is that? Whoa! Oh, it's so nice. Here's the smoking area, but we don't smoke. It's so nice. I'm gonna do sofa jump. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that hurt a bit. I'm not gonna do sofa jump. Sorry, guys. But we're gonna do the last bed jump of this house. So, Mama can hold the camera a bit. Thanks. All right, now. We're gonna do the bed jump in 3, 2, 1. It's okay. Come on. Okay, just walk.
Did you see that?
What?
Here. Huh? This bit, no, it's there.
Bro. Wait, there's a cat, the goose. Oh my gosh.
Hello, my old friend.
Hi, Canada goose, even though we're in not Canada.
Yes.
By the way, look at this art. I really like it. Art.
Move شوية, let me see.
Is this a G? I don't know. I'll just call it Mehaj. So Mehaj art.
Maybe me
So-
at art.
Oh.
I don't know.
Meh art.
Me or OG or OJ, something like that.
At art. So we are out of our house in Manchester. I don't know if this is like day
Look,
2.
look, look.
Oh. The last shop.
Stevenson Square.
The last shop.
Lost in Tokyo.
The last shop. So guys, I think this is like probably day 2 in our Manchester house. Probably. If I'm wrong, it's here. But not sure. Yeah. Just
Look around.
To a restaurant.
Yeah. We'll eat some good food.
And I can finally get that burger in my tummy, and I think I already said that a lot.
So what did you want to say?
Look at that, the feather! Mama, did he take video?
Pigeon. I did.
Oh, did he take video? That?
Yes.
I just saw
It
it.
was flattened out. Probably by a bus.
Guys, wait. I keep seeing that. The person. The thing.
The city of.
No, the person. You see the person?
Okay,
That
okay.
could be a face, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah, let's see how many persons we find. So,
Look again, smiley face. Up.
where? Where? You found
Do you
that.
remember?
But there's two of them actually.
Okay,
Found two.
come.
Hi guys. So, remember the face
And Ash.
the other face? Now we're not doing animal face, we're doing people. So, there were two people there, like as the graffiti. Like, as you can see, there's one there and
One behind the
there.
bus, yeah.
And so there's two of them. So we just found part one of that of that person, the graffiti person, and part two of the graffiti person. So I can't wait for part three. I'm telling you, it's everywhere. Part four. Guys, I'm telling you that graffiti person was everywhere. And I saw more. I saw a lot more like graffiti people. Like like graffiti guy. Like, oh, there's another one there. Part 5 on the
Where
road.
is it?
Right there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So, as you can see, it's everywhere, you know? And even I saw more when I was going to the cinema. And guys, I think I didn't tell you anything about the cinema. So I was going to the cinema to watch the Minecraft movie, and it was actually pretty great. And yeah, like this. Now we're like literally in part 5 right now. That person, right?
Here. This time in blue.
Blue. So that's part 6. And I thought another one. I thought, bro, I keep forgetting what I was about to say. I thought I was about to find another one of them, but
Oh, look at this place, huh?
yeah.
Very cool. Let's see.
So, hi guys, we're in the restaurant already, and I already saw. I'm not gonna say, but we got this menu. Wait,
Yeah, order this.
that's Porky from the like basic Looney Tunes, I think. Yeah.